In ethane and cyclohexane, which one of the following pairs of conformations are more stable? First, we can take ethane. In fact, ethane contains infinite number of conformers in that two extreme conformers are taken. Now, front carbon atom with 3 hydrogen atoms are represented. Circle indicates rare carbon atom. Here, hydrogen atoms are present behind two front carbon atoms. It is called eclipsed form. In staggered form, we can write front carbon atom with 3 hydrogen atoms and a rare carbon atom containing hydrogens such a way that these hydrogen atoms are present far away from each other. It is staggered form. In staggered form, these hydrogen atoms are present as far away as possible, which makes an angle of 60 degrees. So, when hydrogen atoms are present far away from one another in this structure, so we can say staggered form is said to be more stable than eclipsed form. It is order of stability. Conformations of cyclohexane. Cyclohexane can form 4 conformers. They are chair form, twist boat form, boat form, and half chair form. Based on energies, we can take chair form is said to be having less energy, so its stability is more. In these conformers, order of stabilities are taken. Chair conformer is more stable than twist boat form and then boat form followed by half chair form. So, based on the question, we can say more stable conformation of ethane is said to be staggered form and more stable conformation of cyclohexane is said to be chair form. So, correct option is second option.